If you have heard of the Rio in Dalston, Hackney, then you must be interested in the rich history of this iconic community-run cinema. The Rio has been a beloved fixture in London since 1909, with a fascinating journey that includes various incarnations as a silent cinema, a news and cartoon cinema, a continental art house cinema, and even a live striptease burlesque theater. However, the turning point came in 1976 when the local community took over the lease, marking a new chapter in the cinema's history. The 1980s were a vibrant and transformative time for the Rio and the surrounding community. It was during this period that a unique educational initiative known as the Tape/Slide Project took root. The project was a community-driven effort to teach local unemployed young people the art of street photography and reporting local events. The resulting slideshow, accompanied by a cassette tape audio recording, became a weekly feature before the films, providing the audience with a captivating glimpse into the pulse of Hackney life. Funded by the Jubilee Trust and later supported by the Adult Education Institute, the Tape/Slide Project captured a wide array of everyday scenes and political campaigns from the era, including the miners' strike support, anti-Reagan, anti-apartheid, Greenham, and CND protests. Moreover, the project's impact extended beyond the cinema, with public information presentations on crucial subjects like AIDS awareness being shared with local groups and organizations. The legacy of the Tape/Slide Project also includes the creation of 2 feature films, One Day in Hackney, and One Day Off in Hackney, offering a fascinating glimpse into the everyday life and leisure activities of the local community. The archive also contains local advertising slides for businesses and on-screen information for the cinema, providing a comprehensive snapshot of the vibrant local landscape during the 1980s. The preservation of the Tape/Slide archive is a testament to the dedication of individuals like local photographer Alan Denny, who has spent countless hours cleaning, scanning, and restoring each slide to ensure its longevity. Thanks to the efforts of the Rio Cinema and the commitment of individuals like Alan, these invaluable glimpses into the past are being meticulously preserved for future generations to appreciate and learn from. The most exciting part is still ahead, so let's immerse ourselves in the images and reminisce about that era, savoring the rich history of Dalston in the 1980s through these captivating photographs.